few things beat eating ceviche at the beach, but the next best thing is eating ceviche at home, but you have to make it really good to make up for not having the beach. So I'm gonna give you one new recipe. I'm calling this ceviche a green ceviche because it has so many green ingredients. First, a green habanero, and I have my preheated comal right here over medium heat, and then 2 garlic cloves with the skin on, half of a red onion. I'm gonna cut the onion into quarters. So I have a nice fillet of grouper. You can use any fresh, mild fish that you can get your hands on. Don't use frozen fish for ceviche. So I'm gonna cut the fish into small dice. And I already asked my fishmonger to remove the skin and the bones. Need to flip these as they toast. You don't want them to burn. And I'm gonna now put together the marinade. I'm gonna add in here 1.5 cups of bitter orange juice that I already squeezed. Put in here. Okay, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm so lucky because I have salt from the Yucatan. And the salt has such an incredible rich taste. So about a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna add all the ingredients that I already charred in here. The roasted onion, peeling, 2 garlic cloves. And then I'm adding the habanero with all of its seeds and heat. And then I'm also adding 1 celery stalk. And I'm coarsely cutting. And I'm also adding 1 cucumber. Puree these until completely smooth. Look at this beautiful minty pistachio green color. It smells spicy, which is good for a ceviche, but it also smells so sweet and fresh. I want to pour all over my fresh fish, and then I'm just gonna mix, make sure that it's all covered. Now, we have the raw fish that is going to cold cook in the citrus. We want to let this sit for at least, 5 to 10 minutes. And as it sits, I'm going to prepare some other ingredients that are going to go in here that are going to be crunchy. So I'm adding 1 celery stalk. And then I'm going to add 1 cucumber in pureed form and in crunchy bite form. Then I'm going to add apple. And the apple is going to give it a delicious tart crunch. And then as I continue chopping my apple, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds so that they can toast a little. And to add more green, I'm gonna add avocado. Because what is ceviche without avocado? Beautiful. Okay, cutting the avocado into small dice too. So you can see the colors start to change. And they start getting a little bit brown. These are ready. After you take them out, you can add a little salt because the oils are released. And if you add a little salt, the salt will stick a little. Okay, mixing the ceviche with everything in here. And then that's it. I'm just gonna chop some garnishes. Chives, cilantro, and then yum. So pretty, super, super green. It's definitely spicy, very citrusy. The marinade is delightful because it's kind of silky and thick. And then you get the crunch from the pumpkin seeds, which is also like a dry crunch, but then you get the wet crunch from the cucumbers and the apple, which are also sweet and tart. This is so delicious.